Hi guys, so today we're gonna make some tacos, some chicken tinga tacos. It only takes about 20 minutes and it's pretty simple. So to start off with, we're gonna saute some onions in a little bit of olive oil. Now once our onions start to get soft, we're gonna throw in some minced garlic. Gonna let that go for about a minute. And then we're going to add in some chopped up chipotle peppers, 1 or 2 because they do carry heat. So next we're going to add in some spices to get nice and toasty. We're going to add in some oregano, cumin, black pepper, and a little bit of smoked paprika. We're going to let those get nice and toasty. Next, we're going to add in some fire roasted tomatoes. And then we're going to add in just a little bit of chicken broth. So now we're just going to let that simmer. We're going to let that cook and simmer down for a couple of minutes. Then we're going to go ahead and take that and we're going to add it to our blender. You want to blend it until it's nice and smooth. Now we're going to take that sauce and add it back in our pan. What makes this recipe super easy is you're going to use some rotisserie chicken. So just get you a rotisserie chicken and shred it up. So now we're just going to mix this all together. Now at this point you want to add any more spices or seasonings, so go ahead and give it a taste. If it needs more of something, add it in here. For my toppings, I'm going to use some tomatoes, green onions, red onions, lime, cilantro, roasted corn, and I'm going to use some cotija cheese. I don't think that's how you say it, but I've always called it cotija cheese. It's so good, you guys, you gotta try it. So now we're just gonna top our tacos. And enjoy. Yum.